And this is the AutoFull Gaming Office Chair. This chair is awesome. Let's check it out. Thanks to AutoFull for sending out this gaming chair for free to review. Made with polyurethane leather, this chair is comfortable as well as durable. Plus, it looks really cool with the outer edges wrapped in smooth carbon fiber. It really makes it look like a racing chair. It feels great to sit down in and get started working, and feels comfortable all day long, which means you can game longer without getting sore and tight. It has a very nice 360-degree swivel, which makes it easy to get in and out of. What's also great about this chair is the ability to fully tilt back and relax. There's also an adjustment rod for rockability as well as locking in place for no rocking. If you want to relax more, then pull out the foot and leg rest, tilt back, and take a little nap. This is such a great feature to have that can quickly fold and store away when you're done. The strong integrated metal frame can withstand 350 pounds, plus being able to just rock in an upright position is great too. Let's check out this foam pad for the back support that it comes with. Super comfortable and durable as well. This can be used or set aside for later. It also has a removable pillow for neck and head support as well, embroidered with the AutoFull logo. Easily unclips and clips with an elastic band. The racing seat style looks great and is very durable and well made. Another great feature is the adjustable armrest that can be swiveled as well as height adjustment on both sides. This makes gaming and typing easier as you have something to rest your elbows on. I like the embroidery on the back as well. The tilt lever function is very easy to use and very smooth, and it locks into place for each position. The 5 dual caster wheels roll perfectly on hard carpet or hardwood flooring, and it's very easy to move around on. The last great feature is the ability for height adjustment. If you're a short or tall person and you need to adjust to the height of your desk, this chair can get in the perfect position for you. The super strong piston makes this possible for height adjustment as well as for shock absorption. And when you're ready, you can tilt the seat and relax. And easily pull out the footrest as well. If you want the pillow and lumbar support, you can add them back whenever you want. Overall, this is a great chair and is very functional and comfortable and will meet your needs for both office work as well as gaming. And again, the design of this chair is great, and I really like the feature of being able to tilt back and put my feet up as well. I guess I'll be getting in more naps in throughout the day, right? Can't be productive if you don't get in some power naps. As far as assembling this chair, the direction booklet is very easy to read with pictures and written description in many various languages. I found it very easy to assemble, and all the bolts and screws used are very heavy duty. I could see that this chair is going to last a long time. Alright, well, thanks for watching this review video. I hope it helped, and I can highly recommend this chair, and you should for sure check it out.